Hi, welcome back to Create to Me's Art. Today we are going to make donuts with two different styles of glazes and caramel crumble. Let's get started. Recipe is the same of the twisted donuts. You can check out the video, link will be in the description. Because I didn't have yeast, I had to use baking soda and baking powder. The yeast will give a more spongier and more softer kind of donuts. I prefer that more than this method, but this is how you can make donuts without yeast. While the dough is resting, let's make powdered sugar for the glaze. I've taken here 2 cups of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Grind it well. Shape the donuts like shown here. Today I'm making 2 different types of glaze. I've divided the icing sugar into 2 bowls and a pinch of salt on each. For a simple glaze, I've added few drops of vanilla essence and adjusted the quantity of milk based on the desired consistency. And for the chocolate glaze, I've added 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and adjusted the milk based on the consistency. For caramel crumble, I have taken 1 cup of sugar in a pan and few drops of water. Wait till the sugar turns golden brown. Then add 3 tablespoons of cream or milk. I've also added butterscotch essence. After it cools down, you can crush it into crumbles. Fry the donuts as shown and glaze it.